All right, welcome back, guys, to another box break. Today we're going for our second box of 2018-19 basketball Prizm fast break. I really enjoyed the last box, so I'd figure I'd give that product another chance. See what we get. Hopefully something good like the last box. I find that a lot of the cards that I saw afterwards actually, in fast break anyways, have actually done better in sales after, whatever I don't keep, have done better sale-wise. So, thought that was pretty awesome. Actually, definitely made my money back. Oh, look at that first one. What? That's my first look at base rookie. I got the freshman phenoms, but very cool card. Glad with that card. CP, Damian Lillard. Our fast break is Trevor Ariza. And Al Horford. I gotta find a place to set those. All right, what do we got? Lou Williams, Bill Russell, Derek Favors, and our fast break is Nowitzki and Blake Griffin. Tim Hardaway Jr., Lonzo Ball, Taurean Prince, a fast break Oladipo, Fireworks, cool card, and a Stockton. I think fast break has been some of my favorite newer product. KD, Kevin Durant, awesome player, awesome person off the court. Julius Irving, Kyrie Irving, fast break. Donovan Mitchell, and Evan Turner. It's been a long time since I've really collected basketball cards. I used to obviously collect around the Jordan era, so Kawhi Leonard, Devin Booker. We'll bring Markkanen, Devin Booker, Mike Conley blue to 175. And then Dante Fireworks, or not Fireworks, fast break rookie auto. I don't know if they are not serial numbered, but not a bad player. Definitely could have been better, but super happy with that. All right, next pack. And they did the, as you saw probably in my last break, getting some of those pinks that are numbered to 50 with some of the vet players was pretty cool. So if you haven't seen that, I highly suggest you check it out. Malcolm Brogdon, Bradley Beal, Harden, DeRozan, go hard or go home, firework or fast break. I guess I'm going to keep saying that. And Marcus Morris. I'm going to keep saying fireworks on accident. Ginobili, Jefferson, Millsap, Dwayne Wade all day fast break, and Augustin. Wesley Matthews, McCollum, and this is one of our pinks, Jay Crowder to 75. Not too bad. Green and Crowder. D'Angelo Russell, Paul George, Ilya Silva, and Pope, fast break, and Bobby Portis. Only 2 rookies so far, but some decent ones. Dwayne Wade, Gortat, Pippen. Ooh, Giannis, fast break all day. Nice card. Solomon Hill. It looks like we're possibly halfway, maybe a little bit more through the break. Steph Curry, Mills, Garnett, Ruby to 125. See, I do definitely like some of their the fast breaks vets. Steve Nash and Wright. Stoudemire, Russell Westbrook, Kevin Love Blue to 175. And James Johnson and Bogdanovic. Otto Porter Jr., Brooks, Eric Gordon, Blake Griffin. That's Savage fast break. I don't think that's numbered. Nope. I don't think I've pulled any of this. That's Savage. I don't recall pulling it in the last fast break box. Zach Randolph, Avery Bradley, DeAndre Jordan, and we have a bronze. Jefferson. I don't recall getting a bronze either. That is 220. Number 4 of 20. Cool. George Hill. Aldridge. Adams. Kaminsky. Fast break. Alexander and Collins. Wow. Only 2 rookies so far. That's crazy. Chandler, Jokic, Monk. Oh, I don't know what this is. Class of 2018 draft day fast break. Luck of the lottery. I don't think I've seen this either. Hey, another rookie. Zanin Musa? Never heard of him. Ian Clark, Marbury, Jeremy Lin, Sabonis Red to 125, 39, 125, and Dragic, who knows how to pronounce it. All right, last pack. John Wall. Oh, there we go. Jaren Jackson Jr. Another good card. Gerald Green. Fast break. Aaron Holiday rookie. And Buddy Hield. Awesome. We'll do a quick recap. I thought it was an awesome box. Gerald Green, fast break. Sabonis. Draft 2018 lottery. Or luck of the lottery. Kaminsky. Jefferson bronze. Blake Griffith, that's Savage. Kevin Love. Kevin Garnett. Giannis, another great card. Pope. Crowder. Wade. DeRozan. Conley. Irving. Oladipo. Nowitzki. And Ariza. And the final 4 cards. Luka. Aaron Holiday, Jaren Jackson Jr., Musa, and Dante, rookie auto, fast break. Super stoked about this box. What a great box for 80 bucks. If you saw my video of opening the mega box for 50, why wouldn't you spend 30 bucks more and get a fast break box? I think there's just, you get much more value out of your fast break box. Just my personal opinion, but hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully you guys will like it. It means a lot to me to like my videos, and hopefully you guys will share it and subscribe. Hopefully you guys have a great day. Thank you.